Well, students, we are now going to start the next question of probability. In the previous video, already I have shared you introduction and also the questions based on probability till question number 1 to 7. Now, in this video, we are going to do question number 8 to 12. Now, first 8th question, it is a question based on die. Okay, in that die, how many outcomes are there? There will be 6 outcomes, that is from number 1 to 6, and we have to find the probability of getting 2. So first part, we have to find the probability of getting a number 2. So according to that, number of outcomes, the formula I will recall it, number of outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. In short, number by total number. As I've already said you that always remember that your denominator value will be greater than the numerator. So now according to the question, probability of getting 2. So first of all, what is the total number? We'll count it over here. So total number is 6, and now we are going to see that what is the number of outcomes. It means जो ब्रैकेट में दिया हुआ है वहां से हमें चेक करेंगे हमारे आउटकम्स में how many twos are there. Only 1 2, so it will be 1/6, and in this way we are going to solve, and this is the solution for the first part. Second one, that is a number less than 3, probability of a number less than 3. So again same formula. And how many numbers are less than 3? Only 2 numbers are there, that is 1 and 2. So 2, and the total number will be 6. Again you have to write the statement over here. I have written directly, please don't write it directly over here. So if I do the cancellation, what it will be the value? It will be 1/3. If cancellation is possible, you have to do the cancellation. Okay, don't keep it in the as it is form. Third one, we have to find the probability of a composite number. Okay, now I'll recall that what is composite numbers? A number which is having more than one factors. So out of this, you could see that 6 is the only number which is having more than one factor. That is 1 multiplied by 6, 2 multiplied by 3, 3 multiplied by 2. So total number is 6 and only a one composite number. So it is 1/6 will be the probability in the third part. Now I'll be going towards the fourth one. It is given here that find the probability of a number not less than 4. Okay. So probability of a number not less than 4, it will be total number will be 6. 4 से कम नहीं होना चाहिए, तो 4 से ज़्यादा मतलब 5 and 6. So 2 numbers are there which will be included in the case of 4 not less than 4. So your cancellation is possible, so we'll do the cancellation, and this is the final answer. Now I'll move towards the 9th question. These questions are very easy, and please go through with the formulas and each and every step. Okay, don't write it directly which I have written over here. You have to write the steps in each and every part. Now here, in a survey of 200 ladies, in question number 9, I'm reading the questions. It was found that 82 like coffees and 118 dislike coffees. So total how many ladies are there? So total 200 ladies. And how many like the coffees? Like coffee, only 82 ladies like coffees. And dislike, so dislike coffee, how many ladies are there? That is 118. Now the question is, from these ladies, one is chosen at random. What is the probability that the chosen lady dislike coffee? It means we have to find the probability of disliking the coffee. So dislike की probability find करनी है. So total is how much? 200. And what is the dislike number? That is 118. So that is 59/100. If I cancel with 2, I'll be getting 59/100. Further cancellation is not possible. So this will be the final answer in question number 9. Now I'll be moving to next part, that is question number 10. Now here in question number 10, it is given that a box contains 19 balls bearing, okay, total how much? Total it is 19, and the sequence they have given as according to that, that is 1 2 3, and it goes on till number 19. A ball is drawn at random from the box. Find the probability that the number of the ball is a prime number. तो वो बॉक्स में से अगर हम ब्लाइंडली अगर हम उसमें से हैंड इंसर्ट करके इफ यू रिमूव दैट विल टेक इट आउट द बॉल, वी have to find that what is the probability of prime numbers. So prime numbers इनके बीच में, it means from 1 to 19 how many prime numbers are there. First of all we'll write that. So it means it is our outcome. So what will be the outcomes over here? So we'll write that according to the first part we have to identify the number of prime numbers. So prime numbers कौन सा है? 1 is neither prime nor composite. So start with 2, 3, 5, यानी इनके फैक्टर्स सिर्फ 1 ही हो सकते हैं, इसके अलावा और कोई फैक्टर्स नहीं हो सकते. दैट इज सेड टू बी एज प्राइम नंबर्स. अनदर नंबर इज 7, देन इट विल बी 11, 13, 15 तो डिविजिबल है, 17 कोई और नंबर से डिवाइड नहीं होगा, 18 इज डिविजिबल एंड 19. सो दिस आर द नंबर्स विच आर द प्राइम नंबर्स विच इज लाइंग इन बिटवीन 1 to 19. नाउ नेक्स्ट पार्ट we'll find the probability of prime numbers. So what will be the probability? So we'll know that total number is 19, and we'll count the number of prime numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So total 8 prime numbers are there. Okay, so your answer will be 8 upon 19. Here cancellation is possible? No. So your final answer will be 8 upon 19. You have to write this statement and then you have to write the values. Now I'll be moving towards the second part of this question, that is, question is we have to find the probability of even number. So if we want to find the probability of even number, so we have to identify what are the outcomes of even number. So in between this 1 to 19 how many even numbers are there? We'll write it here: 2 4 6 8 10 12, 14, 16 and 18. Okay, now we know that our total number is 19 according to the question, and now we'll count that how many even numbers are there: 1 2 3 6 and 9. So 9 even numbers are there. So this will be the final answer. Fine. So then this way we can find the probability of an even number. Now the third part of this question number 10, we have to find that the probability of a number which is divisible by 3. Okay, number which is divisible by 3. So what will be the outcome? तो 1 to 19 में ऐसे कौन से नंबर है जो 3 से डिविजिबल है? तो सिंपली विल राइट द टेबल ऑफ 3 एंड 3 6 9 12 15 18 21 won't be there because according to our question till 19 it is given to us. So now total number will be 19. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 upon 19 will be the final answer. Okay, so in this way we are supposed to find the probability of question number 10. Now we'll be shifting towards the question number 11, and it is very important, these two questions, that is 11th and 12th, it is based on cards. So before doing question number 11th and 12th, please go through with the cards topic, that is entire description of cards which is being already shared you in introductory part. Read it, learn it, and then you practice the question number 11th. Okay, now we'll start the question number 11. Now if we go through with the 11th question, the first part, it is a question based on cards as I've said you. Now it is given that find the probability of a king. As we know that the total number is 52 cards. So 52 cards, how many shapes are there? There are 4 shapes. So according to that, 4 shapes means what? How many kings? So 4 kings will be there. Okay, so what will be the probability? Number of outcome divided by total number of outcomes. Okay, now according to that, what will be the number of outcomes? Always see the values which are written in the bracket. It means जो question में दिया हुआ है उसमें से outcome find करो and then you place it. So according to the question, we have to find the value of king. So we know that in the 52 cards, total 4 kings will be there. So 4 upon 52. So the cancellation is possible. So compulsory we have to do the cancellations. Now next is, what is the probability of getting a spade? So spade is a shape. So how many spades will be there in a card? So we know that 52 divided by 4, it means 13 cards will be there in each shape. So spade is representing one shape. So spade will be how much? That will be 13. So 13 upon 52. So 13 upon 52, if I do the cancellation, I will be getting 1 upon 4. So this is the probability of a spade. Now next is probability of a red queen. It means red color queen. So red color shape is how many? That is 2 shapes. So red queen will be how much? So red queen will be 2. Okay. So now according to that, if I want to find the probability of a red queen, total number is fixed. That is, total number of cards is 52. And out of that, only 2 cards which is having a red queen. So it is 2 upon 52. So it will be 1 upon 26. Now next is fourth part. Now what is the fourth one? That is a black 8. Probability of a black color 8. Only 8. It is number 8. So if you look at the cards, 8 will be 4 because each shape will be having 8. But black color are only 2, so it will be 2 by 52. Your answer will be 1 upon 26. So this is the questions based on card. In the last question, that is question number 12, it is also same as it is. I'll explain you that part. In that, what it is given, question number 12, it is given that one card is drawn at a random. Again, it is a card question. And how many cards it is given here? It is given here as 52 cards. Now we have to find the probability of getting a 4. It means how many 4 will be there? So probability of a 4. So if you look at 4 shapes, so 4 will be total 4 upon 52. कैसे? तो देखो 4 कैसे आया? तो spade will be having 4, diamond will be having 4, club will be having 4, as well as hearts will be also having a 4. So total how many 4s are there? 4 4s are there. So it will be 1 upon 13 if I do the cancellation. Next part is that how many queens are there? That probability we have to identify. So probability of a queen. So if you look at that, spade will be also having a queen, club will be also having a queen, even hearts and diamond will also having a queen. So it means all the 4 shapes will be having a queen. And how many queens were there in each and individual shape? That is 1. So 4 multiplied by 1, so it will be 4 by 52 and it will be 1 upon 13. And the last part, it is find the probability. That is, we have to find a black color card. So I have written already that spade is having 13 cards, club is having 13 cards. Both are of black color. Okay, so what are the total number of cards? That is 26. So if I want to find the probability of black color card, so total number is fixed, that is 52. And how many black cards are there? 26. So your cancellation is possible. So your final answer will be 1 upon 2. So from this, we can say that in each and every question, we are getting our denominator values are greater. And every time you will be finding the denominator values are greater. So please ensure that while doing the questions, that your denominator value is greater. So here the chapter gets completed. So you can attempt the questions, and same type of questions you will be finding in 9th standard also, as well as in 10th standard also. Thank you.